Hello, this is Cindy Garcia, and this is my Week 2 presentation on the California State Budget, classes MPA 530, Public Finance and Budgeting. In this week's presentation, I will be talking about the governor's proposed budget for California. I'll also be talking about two priorities that I've picked in the governor's budget and changes in the May revision. And also, I'll be presenting to you the enacted budget for this 2020-2021 year. The proposed budget that was released on January 10, 2020 had a total state fund of $222 billion. For K through 12 education, we have 27.7% of its budget. Health and Human Services has a budget of 32.1%, higher education at 8.2%, and the smaller percentage rates of labor and workforce development is at 0.5%, and the other small percentage of government operations is at 0.8%. The two priorities that I'll be focusing on are going to be on K through 12 education and health and human services. The reason why I chose these two priorities are a result of the pandemic that has hit the whole world. Health and education has shifted our country in such a drastic way that everybody is still trying to get used to the changes that are happening and changing on a day-to-day basis. In the proposed budget, K through 12 education had a total state fund budget of $61,607,877,000, and Health and Human Services had a budget of $71,257,028,000. And then looking on the May revision, there was it looks like there was a small change for Health and Human Services at 0.08%. K through 12 education had a bigger percentage change of 19.90%. Looking at the changes as a whole, total percentage change is at 8.49% for the May revision. On June 26, 2020, the enacted budget was released, leaving the total state budget to a total of $202 billion. K through 12 education has a total of $49,735,800,000 of a budget, and Health and Human Services has a total of $70,418,575,000. Looking at the pie chart here, K through 12 lower to 24.6%, Health and Human Services at 34.8%, and labor, going back to what we talked about in the beginning of the slides, labor and workforce development is at 0.5%, and the other small percentage rate of government operations actually increased to 1.8%. This concludes my presentation for week 2 assignment. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys enjoy the remainder of your guys' weekend. Thank you.